Good morning, San Diego. I'm Veronica Corningstone.
And I'm the much better looking Ron Burgandy. But anyway, what's up first, Veronica?
Well, Ron, first up, our correspondent Mike Chuppe will show us a behind the scenes of Mr. Burkout's class's experience filming a special hurricane watch about the flu.
5, 4, 3.
So today we're filming something that would give the bio students an opportunity to share what they learned about the immune system, as well as tell the whole school what, how they could prevent the spread of illness. It's mostly about the flu, viruses, but anything that can make you sick.
And you guys recorded yesterday?
Yep.
So how'd that go yesterday?
We went well yesterday, and I think it's going to be even better today.
Look at all those hard workers. How do you feel about directing today?
I feel very good.
Did you direct yesterday?
Yep.
Ooh.
There you go. That's fine. Yeah. And now funny faces, please. Wow. That was nice.
Well, that was dull and uneventful.
Ron!
Sorry, I wasn't even watching. I was just trimming my mustache.
That's moustache in French.
Oui, and bigote in Espanol.
Oh, yes. You spent a semester in Paris.
Yes, I'm very worldly. It's important to be worldly. And that's my reminder to all you chicos and chicas out there that next week is Foreign Language Week.
Oh, oui. National Foreign Language Week is next week, and this year's theme is Foreign Languages. They nourish the brain. It is celebrated nationwide to promote awareness of the importance of knowing a foreign language in today's society. On Thursday, March 7th, there will be an event open for all students and staff in the cafeteria at 2:16 p.m. It is Foods of All Nations. There is a suggested $1 donation for the Pancreatic Cancer Research Fund. Any student is welcome to participate and contribute. Just see any foreign language teacher.
West Hampton Beach does the Harlem Shake, which brings up another pressing question. Why are people still doing the Harlem Shake?
Con los terroristas.
Do the Harlem Shake.
From all of us here in Studio 210, you stay classy.
Thanks for stopping by.
But mostly, stay classy.
Thanks for stopping by.
Stay classy. I'm Ron Burgandy.
Thank you for stopping by.
Stay classy.
That's all that.
Is anyone else sweating?